Hello guys, TechWeb is back with another new video. So in this video, I will show you that how you can create a WordPress environment in your local PC without using any domain or hosting. As we know that we can use gem server or one server installation to use WordPress in our PC. But sometimes gem server or one server will be crashed. That's why we will face some problem. So in this video, I will show you a new method. Okay, just follow me. So at first, we need to open a browser. I am using this one. Just simply type on search bar local WP. Then enter. Then we will get a website called local WP. Just click on this link. So as we can see, a new window open. Simply just click on this download icon and click on download. Then you need to choose your operating system. I am using Windows, that's why I will choose Windows. Then you need to fulfill your address. I am simply filling my addresses. Okay, just click on this Get It Now button. And that will redirect to you a downloadable file. Then simply click on the start download. So as you can see, my downloading started. So after successfully completed my file, then click on this cancel and minimize this browser and local WP on my PC. Just simply click on this, and I am choosing this only me. Just simply click on this next button. Then you need to choose your or browse your installation path. I am simply putting this one. Just simply click on the install button. So after successfully install our software, you will get a icon like this one. Just click on this finish. Okay, now I guess the software will be opening automatically. Okay, I will go to this box. Just click on this checkbox and click on agree button. Okay, now they are asking to create a new account on their software. Just simply click on this create a free account. Okay, they are redirecting me to their website. Just you can see there is a registration form. If you want that, then you can fulfill this form and continue. I am simply just click on this continue with Google. I am choosing this continue with GitHub. Okay, I'm simply choosing this one. Okay, it will authorizing with my GitHub. I'm simply click on this one. Okay, my account is successfully created. I guess my piece of software. Just simply click on this no thanks button. Okay, then you will get a new dashboard. There is a button called create a new site. Just simply click on this button. Okay, there is two options to choose: create a new site, create from a blueprint. I am choosing this one, create a new site. Just simply click on continue. Then you need to set a name for your website. I am just putting a name, random name. Okay, simply click on this continue button. Then continue again. Then you need to choose a WordPress username or password. Okay, I am just choosing this one as a username and at the same this one as a password. Okay. Okay, then click on this add site. Okay, the process is started. We need to wait some time. So after successfully install our WordPress in local WP software, so as you can see, my website is ready to use. If I click on the WP admin or open site button, as you can see, if I click on this open site button, my website will be appear on this browser, as you can see. Okay, if I click on the WP admin button, it will redirect to me WordPress by default dashboard, as you can see in some time. Okay, as you can see, my dashboard is ready to use. If I click on this appearance or plugins, no matter what kind of option you want to use, you can use anything or everything like the real WordPress environment. Okay, So finally our setup is ready to use. Okay. Now I will show you some more options on local WP. Yeah, like sometimes we need to install multiple WordPress website. So there is a there is a cool option. As you can see, there is a plus icon. If I click on this one, as you can see, there is a option to create or set up multiple WordPress website at single time. And if I click on this connect button, it's suggesting me to connect my this website design to a hosting like live server. Okay, so if I click on this blueprint, there is an option. If I click on this add-ons button, there is many add-ons here to use. If you want to use, then you can use those add-ons. Okay, so there is a new environment and new way to use WP WordPress environment in your PC. Hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also, you need to like or thumbs up on my video and leave a comment in this video. Okay, thank you.